Ya, pohon mana?
Look at the balloon, Abby. It's spinning.
Eighth grade is his
High school.
music class.
Oh, look at that. The balloon ton.
A bubble. What balloon?
Oh, behind the...
Yes, a bubble.
Oh, wow.
Cute. So cute.
Yeah. It's kind of like my Lego costume, except for the stuff.
Nggak tahu, no? Kayak enggak. Kayak it's chosen at random.
Look at it, you.
What if I did 6-7? But I guess it's looking down there.
Hey, Adam's. There.
Ay, 6, 7. Yeah, maybe like 6, 7.
I should know. The boys do it every day. All of them do it now. I don't get why people like to do 6-7.
That car is so cool.
Oh, they see you, Naomi. Hey.
The white